Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, students, which chapter we have started in the previous class? We are talking about BST, and your chapter was Marketing Management. Chapter 11, Marketing Management, okay? And we have prepared one video of this, one class I have given. What we have discussed in that, do you remember something? Yes, those who are staying at home, just to revise, I tell you students, we have discussed regarding the marketing, the definition of marketing, features of marketing, and various philosophies of the marketing management we have done. And there we have talked about the different concepts. There were 5 concepts. Protection concept, it was regarding minimization of the cost, okay? They were focusing on the minimization of the cost. Protect concept was based on quality, and then selling concept, whatever you produce we have to sell, no problem. And marketing concept, they were satisfying the customers, they were focusing on the customer. And societal concept, it was based on this is societal concept. This was based on the customer's satisfaction while performing your social responsibilities, okay? Right? So we have discussed these 5 points in the marketing philosophy. So today we are going to discuss our next topic, and that is functions of marketing. Alright? So till now we have discussed marketing is what? In fact, your marketing starts before production and ends after sales, okay? Marketing is a wider concept, and selling is a narrow concept, okay? Selling is just a part of marketing, fine? So what is included in the functions of marketing? Marketing में क्या-क्या चीजें आती हैं? In fact, everything comes in that, okay? So first point which they have given, that is gathering and analyzing market information. That means market research, okay? So I've told you students, your marketing starts before production, okay? Production किस चीज़ का करना है, कैसा रॉ मटेरियल होना है, क्या हमें बनाना है, कैसा आइटम बनाना है. So you have to do the research in the market, and you have to grab the complete information regarding the thing. You have to survey of the customer's taste, their liking, their disliking. Do they like your present product which you are supplying, right? Some changes they want. Okay, what innovation should be there, what new things they want, what they expect from you and your product. So all these things comes in the market research. We collect the complete information from the customers regarding your product and all. So analysis करने के बाद आप production शुरू करते हैं. Isn't it students? What your mind says? आप एनालाइज करेंगे तभी तो प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. पहले प्रोडक्शन कर लिया, कुछ भी बना दिया, एंड यू डिडंट डू द सर्वे, एंड लेटर ऑन यू फाउंड दैट दिस इज नॉट लाइक्ड बाय द कस्टमर. सो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्शन? Isn't it? Yes, are you getting? Yes. So this was gathering and analyzing market information. I hope it is clear. Next one is market planning. Now you have information regarding the product. ओके कि ये प्रोडक्ट हमें बनाना है, ये हमारे पास चीज़ है, ये हमारे पास फीडबैक आई है. नाउ यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट, यू डू द वेरियस प्लानिंग. आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन आ गई, अब आपको पता है कोई भी काम एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए प्लानिंग चाहिए है आपको, ठीक है? तो यू विल मेक द प्लानिंग ऑफ द मार्केट. सो इट्स टेलिंग दैट आफ्टर कंडक्टिंग मार्केट रिसर्च, द मार्केट हैज़ टू प्लान द स्टेप्स नेसेसरी to achieve marketing objectives under market planning. Have you understood something? You have done the survey. Hello. You have done the survey, you collected the information from the customers, now you have to produce that item. You have to make the whole planning कि ये प्रोडक्शन करना है, कहाँ पे सेल्स करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या स्ट्रेटेजी होगी, क्या पॉलिसीज फॉलो करनी है, ठीक है? तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग में होगी. They have taken one example also, you can go through. Well, next third point, or you can say the third function of marketing is product designing and development. Yes, product designing and development. We have done the survey. We have a line in the mind what kind of product we have to produce, what is liked by the customer. Now, in fact, we will think about that, and planning also we have done, right? Planning is always done mentally. Planning is a mental process, okay? That is not the execution. Execute तो बाद में होता है जब आप production करते हैं, and that comes in the reality. So product designing, आप product किस तरह से, कैसा product होना चाहिए, उसका like क्या contents, features, किस तरह का, the whole detail regarding the product. So every marketer offers a product or service to the customer, but what product or service has to be offered must be planned. The planning part includes the decision like what should be the quality standards used in product, what shape or design would be used, what type of packing, how many models, how it can be made better than the competitor's product and all that. Are you getting? You collected the information that customers want a product, customers want a mobile which should have the features like this. It should have this much RAM, this the picture quality should be good, right? Its sound should be good, and rest of the things, features you know better than me regarding the mobile. Fine. So this information we have collected. Okay. Now what? Now I have to work on that. See, you want everything, so some it will be very costly. The features which customers want, that is very costly. Quite possible that each and every customer can't afford that. Okay, then what to do? I have to do a little variation, a little changes. Someone likes black color, someone likes blue color, and someone's liking is white color. And what should be its model, its size and all. So I've taken an example of mobile so you can understand better, isn't it? You know that if there is one company, suppose Realme I'm keeping, so in this also you will find the different colors are there, different variants are there, the different RAM is there, isn't it?
Yes,
okay, so and they have the different prices also according to the models and all. Okay, so this is called product designing. Will it provide cover? What will be its standard quality? And somewhere you will have the double camera, somewhere you have the single camera, back camera and the front camera. Okay, means when I came to know regarding the liking and disliking of the customers, even after that a lot of things has to be done by the producer or by the manufacturer. Okay, so this is what? This is called product designing. Have you understood? और डिज़ाइन का मतलब दैट्स वेरी सिंपल टू एवरीवन कि ये एक बॉटल है, हाउ शुड बी द डिज़ाइन? It should be in the vertical, it should be in the horizontal, what should be its color, size, shape. You will find hundreds and hundreds kind of bottles are available. Okay, we have the thermostat bottles, we have the completely plastic bottles, and in plastic you will find so many qualities. We have the bottles of thousands of the rupees. We have a bottle of 20 rupees and 10 rupees also. Isn't it? So this is what? This is product designing. I hope it is clear. So product designing and development. Development में how do you develop that? आपने सोचा, आपने plan किया, अब इसको आगे कैसे execute करना है? Okay. Now next comes your standardization and grading. Students, when you start manufacturing something, so एक standard decide करेंगे या नहीं? The name of my company is very good, very nice reputation, goodwill is there in the market. Okay, Tanu? है ना? So my mobile, the Realme is a good company. There should be some standard according to my name and reputation. All right? होना चाहिए या नहीं? Okay? Means minimum this much quality. If the lowest price I'm keeping for something, and this is the lowest range of my product, but it should have a standard. My name should not be spoiled. Are you getting my point? कि एक minimum standard आपने decide किया. If you have the maximum price, the model which is very costly, so what you will be providing in that? What kind of things, the qualities and the features you will be providing in that? Are you getting? So एक standard आप अपना decide करते हैं. अपने standard, अपने नाम के according, अपने reputation and goodwill के according आप किसी भी चीज़ का एक standard means उससे नीचे नहीं जाना है, ऊपर के लिए कोई problem नहीं है, ठीक है? And grading. While producing the item, students, always we don't have the first quality, okay, the fine quality. While manufacturing, it's not regarding mobile, because here we are studying, Tanu, here we are studying commonly. Keep your bag at one side. Keep your bag. Okay. So commonly we are studying regarding all the products. It's not only mobile. So certain items are there where we have to maintain the quality. The standard is there. We can't move from the standards. But certain items are there. There we, while in the manufacturing process, we have the different grades. Okay. If you go to the market, you will find some crockeries are lying outside, and these are available at the cheaper rates. So we ask you, this is China-born crockery, and why is it so cheap? Why? Then they say this is of the second quality. It's of the second वाला माल है. Second वाला. What is the second वाला माल? क्या चीज़ होती है ये? तो उन्होंने कहा these are a little bit defective, and sometimes the defect is so minute you can't find out. The print is faded, the color is faded, a little bit changed, which is not easy to find out. Okay. So this is what, when you can't make it of that standard, so we provide the grades. When you take one carton of the apple, so in apple you will find the gradings are there. आप sort out करेंगे which are of the big size and good quality, and the red apples are there, they are selling in 100 rupees, which are the lower quality, the size is also small, they are selling at 80 rupees, and the inferior quality where we have the green one and some spots are there, they are selling in 50 rupees per page. This is called grading. ये A grade, ग्रेडिंग तो पता है ना आपको, क्लास में भी ग्रेडिंग हम करते हैं ना कि ए ग्रेड है, बी है, सी है, सी प्लस है, बी प्लस है. सो द सेम थिंग इज एप्लीकेबल हियर. ओके, so this was standardization, means maintaining quality standards to achieve uniformity in the product. Okay, so if you have decided one standard, so uniformity means equality will be there, सब चीज़ें एक ही standard के according होंगी. And then comes standardization provides quality assurance and consistency to consumers. Consumers are assured about the quality of product, packaging, etc. Okay, now our next function of the marketing is packaging and labeling. Packaging and labeling. Students, you just talk about any damn item which is available in the market, जो हम use करते हैं. Do they have packaging? या आपको खुला उठा के दे देते हैं. I'm not talking about the street stalls and all. These are the inferior quality goods and different kind of things. If we talk about the branded things and the proper things, so there is a proper packaging of the items. And certain things don't have the packaging also sometimes. But certain items are there which can't be sold without packaging. That depends upon the requirement. If you talk about the electronics, so do they have the packing or no? Yes or no? Crockery, if you talk about, do we have the packing? Shirts, branded shirts, if we take, वो स्ट्रीट वाली की बात नहीं कर रही, आप शॉप पे जाते हैं तो आपको उसकी पैकिंग मिलती है. हाउ इज द पैकिंग ऑफ द शर्ट स्टूडेंट्स? डब्बा होता है. एंड व्हाट इज इनसाइड द डब्बा? शर्ट होती है. और शर्ट के अंदर क्या होता है? पेन्स एंड ऑल. सो दे हैव डन द, now it's sufficient. I know you understood that, the meaning of packaging. So there is a proper system of packing the thing. If we talk about the crockery, what kind of packaging we find in that? क्रॉकरी आइटम्स, ग्लासवेयर कुछ भी खरीदते हैं, कांच का कोई आइटम खरीदते हैं तो क्या होता है उसमें? यू विल फाइंड द थर्माकोल पैकिंग इज देयर, सम हस्क इज देयर, सम पेपर्स आर देयर, एज दीज थिंग्स शुड नॉट टच these touch each other, otherwise these may crack, break हो सकता है ये, right? If we talk about the electronics, then what kind of packings are there? Thermocol and the proper packing of the different items. Molds are there in between as they pack it properly. And on the pack, all right, packing, you understood that? Yes, Dhruv, सुन लो, book आपके पास घर पे है. Are you getting my point? So this is packing, and the different kind of packing can be there for the different kind of item. Okay, do you agree that? Yes. Now when the pack is there, the carton is there, proper pack, is there something written on that? The complete pack. कोई भी कार्टन होता है किसी चीज़ का, आपने LED लिया, LED is packed properly, packaging you understood it very well. Now is there something written on that pack? What will be written? And its size and the side up and down. Where is the upside and where is the downside? And they give the brief information regarding the product which is containing. The package fragile, handle it with care. Means इसमें ऐसी चीजें हैं जो टूट सकती हैं, so take its care. Okay. and certain items are there which you throw it so it doesn't matter. आप उनको फेंक भी देते हैं तो उसमें कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. But certain things are there which are very sophisticated, very delicate, so they have to mention कि this pack is like that. Alright, so this is called labeling. आप उस पर लेबल करते हैं, उसका प्राइस होता है, its weight is there, what it is containing, how many items this pack will have. Are you understanding? So these all things will be there. Okay. Now next function of the marketing is branding. Students, brand. Do you understand the brand?
Yes, ma'am.
Jeans I'm going to buy. Which brand jeans?
Supreme.
Okay. Killers, Levi's. So ये सब क्या है? Company can be different. Company कोई दूसरी हो सकती है. If you find the company is different, but these are the brand names. हम brand से उनको identify करते हैं कि कौन सी हम कंपनी बोल देते हैं जनरली किस कंपनी के लिए, बट इट्स नॉट कंपनी, दिस इज ब्रांड नेम. ओके, सो ब्रांडिंग मीन्स गिविंग अ स्पेशल नेम टू द प्रोडक्ट. Companies may decide to sell the product in company's name, or they may decide a special brand name for their products. Have you understood, students? That is what I have explained. For example, Sony, BPL, etc. are using company's name as brand names, whereas Airtel, Tide, etc. are special brand names selected by the company. Okay, this Sony, this is the name of company. Okay, and BPL, that's also the name of the company. But certain items are there whose the name of the company is different, and they have decided certain other name for their product. Okay, so are using company's name as brand name, whereas the Airtel so and so. Now the brand name must be selected very carefully, as the customer's loyalty depends upon the brand name. I think there is nothing else to explain. Next one is customer support services. You have decided the brand name, so this was one of the function of marketing. Another function is customer support services. We know, students, this is the time of customers, and if your customers are not satisfied, so you can't survive in the market. And the whole market is based on so sad. I'm asking something, you must reply when I'm asking. The whole market depends upon customers. If your customers are satisfied, there is no problem. If your customers are dissatisfied, you can't survive for a long time of the period in the market. So customer support services. You have to provide certain support services to your customers. If customers are facing some problem, okay, some complaints are there, so you have to attend, means you have to provide the services. Customer support services सुना है ना आपने?
Yes,
If you have any problem while online shopping, so customer care पे आप बात करते हैं, they sort out your problems, and also this is also a part of that. So in present day business environment, customer is like the king pin in the market. Understood? Now, so customer satisfaction is the main motto of every businessman. So a very important function of marketing management relates to developing customer support service, such as handling customers' complaint, etc. Customer will become your permanent customer only when he is satisfied with customer support services. You have placed an order, and they are giving you, you can track your item and all when you are getting that. So this is also one of the service which they are providing. You are not ignorant कि कब आ रहा है आपका item. They give you the information, okay? And if you have any problem, so you have certain places, certain numbers are given, and of course they are dealing with that. आपको refund करना है, तो ये सब क्या चीज़ें हैं? These are customer support services. Okay. Next we have pricing of product. Each and every function is very important. Pricing of product. किसी भी product का क्या price होगा, किस price पे वो available होगा, it's extremely very important for the cost department also and for the marketing department also. ऐसे ही नहीं आप decide कर लेते हैं. It's not decided baselessly. Some base is there, some ground is there. Okay. When you do the production in the factory, so we come to know about its costing, cost of production कितनी है. And then you have, see, cost of production, then you have certain other expenses. Cost of production आपके direct expenses है, certain other direct expenses are there. Then indirect expenses, you must be knowing in 11th we have studied in our P&L account, salary, staff, administration, selling, distribution and all that. ये सारे expenses भी आप add करते हैं, तो आपको total cost कितनी पड़ती है? और बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो यू विल ऐड सम मार्जिन और नो. Some margin means profit you will be earning. So at what price you will be selling your product? Yes, at what price we will be selling our product? So this is very important. If you decide less selling price, so that will be harmful because you'll have less profit and you won't be able to survive in this competitive world. If you decide more prices, that is also risky because the same product, same quality, your rivals are providing you at 2 rupees less. So why to go to you? I will go to the person who is providing me, who is charging 2 rupees less. So that will be very risky for you again. Your customers will divert to another place. They will go to your rivals. So that's very important to fix the prices properly. So price means the money which is customers has to pay to buy a product or service. It's the most crucial element of the marketing as customer is highly price sensitive. Okay, so a little variation in price may take your customers to competitors' product. Understood the explanation?
Yes, ma'am.
Next we have promotion and selling. See, everything you have done. Okay, quality product, pricing bhi ho gaya. Now promotion and selling. Students, by the time your product is not known in the market and customers don't have any information regarding this product, so will they buy?
No.
They won't. They don't know even I like this product very much and that was my requirement, when they have done the survey. So I was the first one who was very happy that this product will come in the market and I'll be the first one to buy that. But I don't know whether this has launched or no, whether this is available in the market or no. So who will be doing this work? In fact, this is the work of marketing. This is one of the important function of marketing. They have to advertise the product. Okay, so this is telling promotion and selling. आपने movies का promo सुना है?
Yes.
You will understand better. What is that promo? Promo is the short form. That is what promotion. क्या होता है ये प्रोमो मूवीज का? क्या होता है उसमें? मैंने कभी नहीं देखा, सिर्फ सुना है a little. And मूवीज के बारे में थोड़ा क्लिपिंग दिखाते हैं, छोटी सी स्टोरी शॉर्ट में बताते हैं, दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड दे टेल इन वेरी अट्रैक्टिव वे. दे कॉल द स्टार्स एंड ऑल दोज हु आर कास्टिंग इन दैट. Okay, so this is what they are advertising their movie. Okay, because by the time you are just unaware about this movie is meant for what? This is for the children, this is for the teenager, this is for, especially for the ladies and all. Okay, and if they give a little brief of that, a little information regarding this, so we are very keen to watch that. Wow, that's very nice story, nice movie, and pata hai usme ye hai wo hai. So you are waiting very keenly that let the movie release and we'll go in the first day first show. Okay, so this is promo of the movie, and the same thing regarding the products, that's promotion and sales. I hope you understood that.
Yes, ma'am.
I've told you to be a little forward. Yes, next one is physical distribution. Here comes the physical distribution. What is physical distribution, students? What do you understand by this term? Distribution of गुड्स, कि आप अपने गुड्स को किस चैनल से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, किस चैनल से कस्टमर्स तक पहुंचाते हैं. फिजिकली मीन्स योर गुड्स आर रेडी, प्रोडक्शन आपका तैयार है, बन गया है, अब ये किस चैनल के थ्रू जाएगा? होलसेलर से रिटेलर या इस तरह, या ऑनलाइन जाएगा, और व्हाट, क्या मेथड है, किस तरह से आप क्या चीज़ फॉलो करने वाले हैं. I'm sorry. So another important function of marketing manager is making plans regarding distribution of goods and services. Physical distribution includes decisions like choice of channel of distribution, maintaining inventory, so and so. Clear? आप सीधा होलसेलर को बेचेंगे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को बेचेंगे, ऑनलाइन सीधा कस्टमर्स के टच में आएंगे. I think you are getting. This is possible these days that manufacturers directly they are supplying to the retailer. They have eliminated the middlemans and they are providing at reasonable prices. Are you getting my point? If we eliminate the middleman, if we eliminate the distributors and wholesaler, so isn't it very at cheap rates or reasonable rates? जो बीच के मार्जिन लेने वाले होते हैं वो डिलीट हो गए, सीधा मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड कंज्यूमर का टच है तो हमें वो रीजनेबल रेट्स में मिलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. नाउ द गुड्स आर रेडी एंड वी हैव प्लान रिगार्डिंग द फिजिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी अपना डिसाइड हो गया कि किस तरह से आपको भेजना है ये. नाउ विच मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन यू विल चूज? Well, you will select this railway system. From here to another part of the country you are selling, you are choosing the truck system or any other modes of the transportations are there. Okay, seaway is not available internally, but externally of course this is available. So the goods are not necessarily consumed at the same place. Everyone knows that the production is done at one place, the industries, okay, but this is consumed somewhere else. इसका consumption कहाँ होता है? कहीं और होता है. Consumers करते हैं throughout the country, throughout the world the items can be consumed, but its production takes place at one particular place. Okay, so this thing has been decided in this planning or the functions of the marketing. Next we have, yes, next and last function of the marketing is storage and warehousing. Students, you have manufactured the item. By the time it is not sold to the retailers or it is not sold to the wholesaler or distributors, so do you have to keep the goods safely? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are a wholesaler, you are a distributor, by the time your retailers comes and they get the goods, so do you have to keep the goods safely? So how do we keep that? That is done, this process, this work is, this function is done through the warehouses. Okay, so storage and warehousing. Now again this depends upon the item, the nature of that product which you are manufacturing, what kind of product you have. I've already told you once, if the item is like that, like iron things are there, structural material is there, so there is no problem, you can keep it in the open and the thieves, they can't steal that, it's so heavy. But if your items are something else, like cement is there, we have to protect the cement from rain and from water. Okay, if you have any other kind of sophisticated item, electronics are there, technical items are there, so we have to keep these things very safely at a particular place. Okay, so we have to provide the proper storage and warehousing facility according to the nature of this product. All right, students, so we have completed the functions of marketing. In the next class I will ask you, so be ready. Okay, now the next topic is your marketing mix. Yes please, marketing mix. What do you understand by this word mix? Mix क्या चीज होती है? Mix means more than one item is there, more than one element is there, so there is a mixture. We have the namkeens, one is the simple one, one kind of item you have, and another one can have the mixture. One is bhujia, is completely bhujia, there is no mixing, and the mixture, sometimes the names are there, so you will find variety of the things, 6-7 elements they have added that. So here we are talking about the marketing mix. Okay, so what is this marketing mix? इसमें कई सारे elements आपके included हैं. So its definition or meaning, the marketing mix refers to the ingredients or the tools or the variables which the market mixes in order to interact with a particular market. Well, market की requirement के according जो चीज़ें उसमें आपकी involved हैं, it is that one. So what are those one? The elements of marketing mix. What are the elements of the marketing mix? Here we have main 4 elements. What are these elements? That is, the first one is product, second one is price, third one place and physical distribution, and the next and last one is your promotion. All right. So let me tell you about the product. Product element of the marketing mix signifies the tangible or intangible product offered to the customers, which is the satisfier of the need, and the product is bundle of utilities. Yes. First we will discuss in detail regarding the product. Okay, so this is the one ingredient of this marketing mix. What is in the product? Product में क्या है? Your product can be tangible, intangible, depends on what you are selling in the market. So the product mix refers to the important decisions related to the product, such as quality of the product, design of the product, packaging of the product, and another important thing including the product mix is product assortment. It refers to number of products and items a particular product offers to the market. So let me simplify it for you. What we are doing, students? Yes, Shaheen. Yakul, sit properly. So what is product mix? This is market mix. What are the elements of this market mix? How many elements are there? 4 elements. The first one is?
Production.
Tanu, is that production?
Product price.
The first one is product, then price. Third one is place, and this is distribution, a physical distribution, and the last one is promotion. Okay. So first we will talk about the product. So product, like what kind of thing you are providing in the market? किस चीज को आप मार्केट में सेल कर रहे हैं? So this product is including so many things, so many informations, like what kind of quality is there, what size is there, what item is there, what is its color, okay, and how is its packaging. I mean everything which we have discussed till now regarding the product. आपका प्रोडक्ट किस तरह से, क्या क्वालिटी है, क्या उसके फीचर्स हैं, ठीक है. So this is another important thing included in the product mix is a product assortment. Like इस प्रोडक्ट में कितनी चीज़ें हैं आपकी. When we buy any product, so that is mentioned what your product is containing. Okay. Now it's telling in detail regarding the product. As we have discussed the product, when you have taken the name product, so it's a detail of certain thing. Which company's product? आपने कहा मैंने LED लिया है, so you have so many questions to ask, isn't it? एक LED, listen to me. LED का नाम सुन के आपने कहा मैंने एक कार ली है, चलिए LED को छोड़िए, आपने क्या कहा कि मैंने एक कार ली है. नाउ व्हाट आर योर क्वेश्चंस? क्या पूछेंगे आप? टेल मी, कौन सी कार ली है, कौन सी कार ली है, किस कंपनी, लिसन टू मी, किस कंपनी की ली है? आपने कहा सिटी, होंडा सिटी की ली है, सिटी की ली है, ठीक है. या आपने कहा व्हाट इज दैट, any name, Volkswagen की ली है. तो now these companies have the different varieties. फिर आप पूछेंगे कौन सी, ये कंपनी हो गई, कौन सा मॉडल लिया है, फिर कौन सा कलर है, मॉडल में क्लियर हो जाएगा आपको, ठीक है. चलिए नाम में आपने कहा, चलिए आपने लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द होंडा सिटी लिया, उसमें बहुत सारे मॉडल्स अवेलेबल हैं, कौन सा मॉडल लिया है आपने, ठीक है. तो द वन प्रोडक्ट इज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, सो व्हाट दिस प्रोडक्ट मिक्स इज हैविंग, अब प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या डिटेल्स हैं. सो हियर वी हैव द इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट मिक्स. द फर्स्ट वन इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्रांडिंग. कौन सी उसकी ब्रांड. हियर वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कार, द सिंपल थिंग वी आर टॉकिंग. सो वी हैव टॉक अबाउट द ब्रांड नेम. So one of the most important decision that marketer has to take in the area of a product is respect of branding, is that he has to decide whether the firm's product will be marketed under brand name or a generic name. Okay, brand name से आप बेच रहे हैं या generic name is there. And what is generic name? That refers to the name of whole class of the product. For example, here's they have taken an example of the toilet soap is a generic name, but Lux is the brand name. Have you understood? If I take example of the shampoo, then I have taken the shampoo, then comes the brand name. Which shampoo? Dove. Okay? Understood that? So that is brand name. So product में पहली चीज you have taken the name of a product, then comes the brand name of that. एक shampoo एक product हो गया, इसमें क्या hundreds of the varieties are available, the hundreds of the brands are there. तो कौन से brand का आप use कर रहे हैं? Okay? Now they have given the meaning. A brand is the identification. Yes, a brand is the identification of a product. Yes or no? It can be in the form of a name, symbol or design, etc. The branding is not only done to identify the seller or producer, but also to make your product superior than competitors' product. Okay. This brand can have the symbols, some design can be there, another kind of designation can be there, and of course name can be there. Okay? And it provides, it describes about your product. As you have taken the name of the brand, ki Dove ka item hai, so that's the best one, there is no problem. Okay, that satisfies the quench of the customers regarding that information. So, should I give you a break?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let's take a break, otherwise this topic is lengthy and we can cover the next one also in the next video. Okay? So, yes please. Focus on the topic. Whatever we have done, learn this topic first and then prepare the notes and be ready for your test also. Okay? Thank you.